Hey birdies, welcome back to Kemari Reaction. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here to do another reaction video to the group. I'm Exile, and this is the music video to the song Havana. I love Exile. Rhythm Zone.
Hello, everybody! Everyone is free and equal.
Oh, I can already tell.
Like
that is copyrighted.
Hot and blazing sun. Passionate men who live for
already
love
copyrighted.
have once again created incredible entertainment, love, dream, and happiness. And now, the movie Havana Love begins from Exile.
Okay, with the production. Giving us listen.
I got you, let's go.
Oh, I'm gonna get in the chorus. Havana love, Havana love, Havana love, Havana love, Havana love, Havana love. I don't have time for copyright. You're not gonna block my video. She better walk. Come on, person of color. Yay! I never disappointed with the Exile tribe. Never disappointed. Those dudes are badasses. Badasses. Some Exile, Rampage, the Liberalist boys are fantastic. It's such a good group. I live for this group. Live for this group. This tribe is amazing to me. That was Havana Love. Thanks to the person who recommended me to react to it. I really do appreciate it. That was a very cute and fun song. I'm not disappointed with this whole group. They're so talented. Thank you. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. So much for watching. Bye.